I have decided that I would love to try to make my own guava pastries, but this is the only guava I can find in the grocery stores. And I'm finding out that this is actually a good brand. So I'm going to try to make it, and I'm excited. So wish me luck. All right, so I'm cheating a little bit at first because I just want to know how this is going to turn out before I put a lot of effort into it. So I got me some puff pastry sheets. I have coconut cooking spray because it's the only one that you can buy in the store. I have me an egg. And I have this guava paste. And I also bought this one. You know, I'm going to try. I'm going to play around with this and see. Okay, so I'm preheating my little convectional oven because I'm not using my big oven. It saves a lot of energy and time. Okay, so I took it out of its package completely, carefully, threw it away, washed my hands, re-washed my knife because, you know, all the germs out there. And I'm a germ freak anyway. So now I'm going to cut it in slices. You know, by the look of it, it looks very soft and, you know, like it's just going to kind of be gushy, but it's not. Yeah, very sticky, very hard. All right, now I'm going to roll out my pastry sheet. So I have it spread out. It's kind of thick. I had a little bit extra, so I went ahead and added a little tiny piece to each end because I love pastries with a lot of guava. Okay, so I put it on there, and I'm going to cut it in squares. And now I'm going to cut little slits in them, and then add my egg to the top. You know, this is just a learning thing, so let's see. Oh, they're starting to look nice. Look at my beautiful babies.